then you can browse through what is insert in the fifth schedule, seventh schedule. I understand that everybody already went to site for your final project, went to site and already make a form of groups so that everybody has the group to search on the legal group. They search the hydrant, they search the connection, water connection, and also the electricity. That is the main for legal and other groups. So most probably, when you are designing a space or a building, there would be maybe 2-story, 3-story, or 4-story. So this is the maximum story. But I can understand. I understand that your building, I think the maximum will goes to 3-story. Is it 3-story? Huh? Kan betul tak 3-story? I'm not so sure.
Rasanya 2, madam. 2-story.
Okay. 2-story, then it is going to be a 2-story. But to ensure that the topmost floor is actually how you want to design a door, indoor ke outdoor ke, the door of the fire staircase. Okay, let's say this is your fire staircase. This is the building. The building. What's so important thing is you have to understand where is the exit area. Look at to your right side images, you may see that the fire door is double swing, and of course you may see that what ahead is the last exit door here, the last exit door, and tempat access keluar is the last exit door, and also how you want to design the fire staircase together with the services area. Okay, so look at the plan here. Okay, I can foresee that if the story is only 2-story here, you can design another fire staircase, meaning that if the story is exceed 12 meters, 12.1 meters, you have to refer this to bylaw 133. We will say later on. So you may say that all the floors has fire exit, fire staircase. So for this area, if only one fire staircase is not enough, you have to design another fire staircase somewhere at the back. Okay, according to travel distance. According to travel distance. So look at the door here. When you are at upper level, so you have to design the fire staircase and the fire door directly to outside. Directly to outside. Okay. Refer to the door here. Okay. Okay. So this is what is happening to the building that more than 1 story. Let's say the 3-story here. So this is inclusive that all the fire staircase is inside one building. So you may direct people directly to fire staircase, but the fire door is inward. Lukis ke dalam. Fire door dia lukis ke dalam. Okay. Okay. Fire lukis ke dalam, the fire door you are referring to here. It's like this. Ke dalam. This one keluar to outdoor, to outdoor. This is to inward. This is to outward. Okay. Okay. Then what happened to people at the ground floor area? So the people at the ground floor area, they must have accessibility directly to outside. You cannot provide a door, or you cannot provide a space somewhere here, an enclosed space, but you have to provide a very clear passage to outside. Okay, remember, in the reality, so you may see that the fire staircase must have the exit light emergency light there, and also exit door, exit discharge, protected corridor, protected staircase, balcony approach, and also single staircase. But the fire door, it has to be indicated the exit discharge. Ada lampu dekat situ. Okay, and also there must be a dry powder. Dry powder is an extinguisher. So this is the reality. Consider that this is an exit door with protected, fire door with 1 or 2 hours. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, you may see the example here. Normally, we are not so sure how much is the dimension that should be drawn. Okay, should be proposed at certain area. Just to remember here, when you draw, this is about 2.1 mm. The width here. So you must have the area for what can foresee that okay, the width of staircase required here, and you need to provide the width for people to stop somewhere. 15 step here. After 15 step, you must have the intervals. Okay, landing in residential building more than 16 rises per flight is not encouraged. Normally, it's after 15 rises, then you must have the intervals, corridor intervals here. So then another step starts after intervals. Okay, faham tak yang ni? Maknanya anak tangga tu sampai 15 je. Then you kena stop. You kena provide ada interval. You cannot straightly draw the fire staircase from step 1 up to step 22. Cannot. Okay, remember this. I will ask that. Okay. So look at the handrail, to the step here. When you design a space with fire staircase, remember that you must allocate width requires. Okay, please look at these handrails. Dekat. Okay. Okay, you have to refer UBBL 133 and UBBL 169. Please refer that, okay? All right, this is actually the travel distance to show that the differentiate ABC, okay? Why ABC? Because the human, the people at A, fire door, they can straightly see the fire door and fire staircase. They will go to B directly to C. C is the exit area for evacuation. Okay. Okay, so far, is there any question? I'm about to draw somewhere here. So no staircase to exceed 2222. Okay, is there any question from somebody else? Because when bomber is about to do the inspection, they need to have a very clear width here and not inclusive the handrail. That's why when you see the handrail here, handrail with fire, staircase, thread and riser, it must be clear. Let's say this is, if you have double for public, let's say your library, National Library, for shopping complex, you may see that the width of the fire, width of the staircase, it has to be clear. 222, 202,025 mm maximum. Okay, remember this. And also, where you want to design the handrail has to be minimum 900 mm here. Jadi kalau misalnya you akan buat cutting section, please bear in your mind that there is a minimum untuk buat handrail, maximum and minimum. Handrail ni when Bumbu inspect, okay, I try to draw somewhere here. Okay, try to annotate here. Okay. Okay. Bumbu will calculate the clear area here, not inclusive the handrail. So it has to be clear. This is the number, 2,225 mm max. Okay. So you may see that you have to refer back to bylaw tadi, section yang I dah beritahu tadi. Okay. So ni kena faham. Okay, previously, okay, sekejap. Stop. Okay. But this one is everything clear. Okay. Oh. Okay, on the drawing first. So tadi, I must say that if you draw, let's say this is the width, the landing here has to be minimum according to this length. Let's say this is 2 meter. And the landing here has to be 2 meter as well. This is the minimum. Yeah. Ni jangan lupa. Cannot. And if you every 15 step, after 15 step or 14 step number 14, you must break with landing. The landing here. This is landing. Okay, now you know already. Don't simply draw a fire staircase. Now we have rules and regulation according to bylaws. You want to draw the fire staircase here, right? And then you start the step 16 somewhere here, right? Okay. Okay, we will have the exercise in my assignment. You have to describe this. Right. Okay. Boleh Ikwan can help me, Ikwan? What you understand about this fire staircase near drawing?
What I'm understand about the fire staircase first.
According to this drawing, you refer to this drawing.
So what I understand, the width of the fire staircase is maximum is 2 to 5 millimeter maximum the width, and the anak tangga is maximum is 15 before we add the interval. The interval is compulsory. Is it?
Okay, macam ni. If you are providing a straight flight ni satu arah saja tangga. Nampak? Satu tangga arah. Macam ni ha. Diagram 7.4.6.3. Okay. So let's say the height. How you calculate the step? Tinggi itu you akan bagi the height of the building, the height of the floor, you will divide by berapa? What is the minimum? Last week I told you about the minimum riser and trade. Berapa, Ikwan? Minimum riser and trade.
Betul, madam, betul.
Untuk trade boleh lebih daripada berapa? 300 ke macam mana? Please check back. And your riser cannot less than berapa? 145 or 155? 155? Okay. Macam mana nak kira tu? Okay, can somebody answer me? I'm providing from floor height to floor height is about 3 meters. And I'm taking 165 is the minimum thread and the minimum riser. So how many stairs? How many stairs? Anak tangga to provide for this drawing. Ikhwan, berapa?
Madam.
Correct. This is 18. So can we provide direct flight 18? Most probably the drawing has to be dog leg. Tahu tak dog leg macam mana? Okay. Kalau kita lukis dog leg, is like this, okay? Dog leg. Tangga yang berbentuk dog leg. Okay.
It's
Ni dog leg. So ada tangga yang straight flight. Straight flight. Straight flight means from floor to another floor, it has to be all the way stairs. Okay, sekejap I draw sekejap. Okay, I pass to you if how you want to draw the staircase yang 18. You draw somewhere there. I'm passing to you.
You want me to draw it, madam?
Yeah,